The mirrorless camera market is heating up once again, and this time, Nikon is making waves. The much-anticipated Nikon Z90 has finally surfaced through credible leaks, and it looks like an absolute powerhouse in the APS-C segment. Priced at an expected $1,999, this camera is rumored to offer 4K video at 120 frames per second, advanced AI-powered autofocus, a redesigned 33MP sensor, and a compact yet rugged build. In a world where hybrid shooters and content creators demand speed, clarity, and flexibility, the Z90 could become the perfect middle ground between enthusiast DSLRs and expensive full-frame systems. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Its leaked specifications, expected features, design, autofocus capabilities, video performance, market placement, competition, pricing, and who this camera is actually for. Let's dive in and explore what could be Nikon's biggest APS-C release yet. Nikon's journey in the mirrorless APS-C world began with the Z50, a well-received but modest entry targeting beginners and hobbyists. This was followed by the ZFC, a retro-styled camera sharing internals with the Z50 but aimed at style-conscious shooters. Then came the Z30, a vlogger-first, screen-forward, ultralight mirrorless camera. While all three had their place in the ecosystem, none truly catered to semi-professionals or serious hybrid creators who wanted high-end video specs, fast continuous shooting, and robust autofocus in a compact form. This is where the Nikon Z90 comes in, marking what appears to be Nikon's answer to Sony's A6700 and Fujifilm's X-T50. Based on recent reports and camera rumor insiders, the Z90 aims to bridge the gap between budget mirrorless cameras and full-frame powerhouses like the Z6 II or Z8. It brings a new design language, updated sensor tech, and video features that content creators have long been asking for. One of the biggest highlights from the Nikon Z90 leaks is its rumored ability to shoot 4K video at 120 frames per second. This is a massive upgrade over previous Nikon APS-C offerings and even rivals some full-frame competitors. Shooting 4K at high frame rates allows for stunning slow-motion sequences without sacrificing detail or resolution. A dream come true for filmmakers, action sports videographers, and YouTubers alike. If Nikon implements this correctly, the Z90 could become one of the most affordable cameras offering 4K 120, setting a new standard in this price bracket. Whether it's capturing cinematic B-roll, dynamic storytelling elements, or dramatic product shots, the Z90 could deliver slow-motion footage previously reserved for high-end cinema cameras. The Z90 is also expected to introduce Nikon's most advanced autofocus system in the APS-C segment. Leveraging deep learning algorithms and AI-trained subject tracking from the flagship Z9, the Z90 reportedly features real-time detection of human faces, eyes, animals, vehicles, and more. This autofocus system can lock onto a subject and track it across the frame even when it moves unpredictably. Compared to the older Z50's basic eye detection, this is a monumental leap. For creators who film themselves, shoot events, or photograph fast-moving subjects, this could mean more keepers, less missed moments, and faster setups. Vloggers, wedding shooters, wildlife photographers, and even sports enthusiasts would all benefit from a smarter, more reactive autofocus system. Leaked specifications suggest that the Nikon Z90